Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to set 3 button navigation on Infinix phone. Friends, you want to set your 3 button navigation. Friends, you don't have your button navigation on your phone. You have guys this gesture setting. So friends, you don't want to use guys this gesture setting. You want to set guys your 3 button navigation. So friends, how to set, I will show you, I will tell you in this video. Friends, first open your phone setting guys. So guys, we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, scroll it and friends, click on guys your phone system setting guys. System setting guys, we will on it. After on system setting guys, first you can see language setting. Friends, you want to change your phone language. So friends, you can change your phone language from here guys. Second friends, date and time guys, you want to change. So guys, you can change your date and time from here. As you can see, reset option, backup setting and system navigation. So guys, click on system navigation, and once you can see guys your 3 button navigation and gesture navigation. Guys, we will click on 3 button navigation. So guys, 3 button navigation will set, and once you can use guys your 3 button navigation, back button, home button, close app button. So once you can see we have this 3 button navigation. So like that guy, we can set 3 button navigation on Infinix one, and friends, you can set direct from your search bar. So guys, search here guys, system setting is system navigation. Friends, you can see system navigation guy, we will search here, and direct friends, you can use your system navigation. Once you want to set your cache navigation, friends, you can see cache navigation will set. You want to use your button navigation, so guys, click here to set your button navigation. So friends, you have your 3 button navigation. And friends, you want to change get the 3 button layout, right and left side, so you can change from here. So I hope friends you understood how to set 3 button navigation on Infinix phone. So that's it guys, we will meet on the next video. Before going, please go and like the video and subscribe the channel guys. Bye guys.